Let's level up your English. Imagine this: what if you could learn just one English word every day that instantly makes your speaking style more polished, more confident? A word that makes even a simple conversation sound smart. A word that makes people think, wow, this person really knows how to speak English. So let's start today, becoming a little smarter, a little more stylish, one word at a time. In today's very first podcast episode, we're learning some advanced but useful English words that you can use in your daily conversations, naturally, without sounding like you're trying too hard. Word 1. Meticulous. Meaning, very careful and precise, someone who pays attention to every little detail. Examples: she's a meticulous planner, every detail of the event was perfect. If you're meticulous with your work, people will start noticing you. Word 2. Reluctant. Meaning, unwilling or hesitant, you don't really want to do something, but you still do it. Examples: he was reluctant to speak in front of the class, but he did it anyway. I felt reluctant to confront her, but the truth had to come out. Word 3. Amicable. Meaning, friendly and peaceful, especially in a difficult or emotional situation. Examples: we had an amicable breakup, no drama, no fights. Despite the argument, the discussion ended on an amicable note. These 3 words are perfect for professional situations, whether you're on a work call, in a meeting, or talking to a client. You won't sound dramatic, you'll just sound smart and impressive. Word 4. Exhausted. Meaning, extremely tired, more intense than just tired. Examples: after a 12-hour shift, I was completely exhausted. You look exhausted, why don't you take a break? Instead of just saying, I'm tired, say, I'm exhausted. It sounds more expressive and fluent. Word 5. Inevitable. Meaning, something that is bound to happen, something you can't avoid. Examples: change is inevitable, you can't avoid it forever. It was an inevitable mistake in such a risky plan. Quick review: meticulous, very detailed and careful. Reluctant, hesitant or unwilling. Amicable, friendly and peaceful even in hard times. Exhausted, completely tired. Inevitable, unavoidable, bound to happen. Outro: speak classy, sound confident. That's the difference. People who sound fluent aren't using complicated English, they're just using better words. So next time you're talking to someone, try using just one of these words. You'll feel the change, and people will notice the difference in your English. Speak smart. Speak stylish. See you in the next episode, with more classy vocabulary to upgrade your English, one word at a time.